द लीगल प्लेटफॉर्म में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम बात करेंगे एक ऐसे मुद्दे पे जो पिछले कम से कम नहीं तो 35-40 साल से लोगों में इसको रोकने की कोशिश की जा रही है, क्योंकि ये एक ऐसी आदत है जिसको आदत लगती है उसके तबीयत खराब होने की ज्यादा समस्या रहती है, और ये है सिगरेट पीना, गुटखा खाना, तंबाकू से जुड़े जितने भी उत्पाद हैं, हम उनके बारे में बात करेंगे। हाल ही में बेंगलोर स्थित नेशनल लॉ स्कूल ऑफ इंडियन यूनिवर्सिटी के प्रोफेसर अशोक पाटिल ने इस पे एक रिपोर्ट दाखिल की है, लंबी चौड़ी रिपोर्ट की इसके क्या नुकसान है। जो उनकी रिपोर्ट का मुख्य मुद्दा है वो ये है कि इसको रोकने के, तंबाकू के उत्पादन या सेवन को रोकने के जो कानून बनाए गए हैं, जो नियम बनाए गए हैं, उनको कैसे इंप्लीमेंट किया जाए, उन्होंने इसके सुझाव भी दिए हैं अपनी रिपोर्ट में। और इस मुद्दे पे बातचीत करने के लिए हमारे साथ इस समय वो मौजूद है, प्रोफेसर अशोक पाटिल। प्रोफेसर पाटिल, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है द लीगल प्लेटफॉर्म में। और इस मुद्दे पे जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की दिक्कतें हैं, वो किस लेवल पे दिक्कतें आती हैं, कैसी हैं, उसके लिए हम बात करेंगे। हमारे साथ मौजूद है गुवाहाटी हाईकोर्ट के पूर्व एक्टिंग मुख्य न्यायाधीश जस्टिस के श्रीधर राव जी। जस्टिस राव, आपका भी बहुत बहुत स्वागत है द लीगल प्लेटफॉर्म पे। प्रोफेसर पाटिल, I'll start with you because you have presented a report. And my first question is, what prompted you to prepare this report?
Thank you very much, sir, for giving me this opportunity. And it's my pleasure to discuss with our model Justice Sridhar, sir. Sir, actually, this particular topic, I was doing this work since 10 years on this particular topic. And the statistics, which clearly shows it is very dangerous, especially in India. So second largest number of tobacco users in the whole world. So 268 million, or 28.6 of all adults in India, so they smoke. So it's the second largest number of tobacco users in the whole world. Out of these, at least 1.2 million die every year from tobacco related diseases. And if you calculate the per day, it comes around 2,700 deaths occur daily due to tobacco use. And a comprehensive and robust tobacco control law is the need of the hour to protect persons, especially younger generation, from hazards of tobacco, sir. So that is the major thing we started. And also, India is a signatory to WHO FCTC, and whatever FCTC said or mentioned, so we are not strictly following that. So these are the reasons on which we started doing research and found gaps and given suggestions.
Yeah. So if I look at the data which you have given, it's much more alarming than the present COVID-19 virus.
Yes.
Okay. The other thing is there are laws, because I remember in mid-80s, the awareness about the non-smoking thing, the campaign against non-smoking started sometime in mid-80s or early 90s. And then the public place पे आपको सिगरेट नहीं पीना है या गुटखा खा के ऐसे नहीं थूकना है, ये सारी चीजें उस समय आई थी. But where do you think that the law lacks?
Sir, as you mentioned correctly, it started in 1975. The first time the Cigarettes Act 1975, which was made mandatory statutory health warnings, that started in 1975. Then developing with that under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act, under the notification in 1992, prohibition on use of tobacco in toothpaste and tooth powders, that was notified. Then Prohibition of Smoking and Protection of Non-Smokers Health Acts 1996. There again, public places, all those things, state laws, all those things came. And even under Food Safety and Standard Act, prohibition on use of tobacco and nicotine as an ingredient in food products, that also notified. And later, the latest law, the CODPA Act 2003, has enacted, and lot of public place, lot of things they have tried to cover, but always in India, good number of welfare legislations, but we fail in implementation. So that's why how to implement effectively. See, because we are training even enforcement officers of all the states in national law school, we come across what are the problems they face while implementing. So considering all those practical experience, we have put up those gaps and solutions.
ओके 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 जस्टिस राव, मैं आपसे यहाँ पे पूछना चाहूंगा कि ये जो कानून बनाए गए हैं, प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ स्मोकिंग या प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ यूज ऑफ टोबैको को लेके, इसके जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए हु इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल, विच एजेंसी और विच अथॉरिटी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल मेनली?
Sir, I would like to impress upon the title of the act. It is not prohibition of smoking. Cigarettes and other tobacco products, prohibition of advertisement, regulation, trade and commerce, production, supply and distribution.
Okay.
Prohibit nahi karte hai. It only regulates. See, after all, the object, the purpose is to see that to discourage the people from being attracted to smoking.
Okay.
Tobacco products.
Okay.
That is not the aim of the act, and the provisions of the do not portend those objectives. If you look at, see, they say 18 years or whatever it may be, you can permit a man 18% above or 20. What does it mean? Act permits smoking. Act does not prohibit smoking or discourage people attracted from being attracted to smoking. This is the thing you must look. And another thing, these advertisements. See, like a footnote, a small warning, health warning is given that it is dangerous for smoking. But a person who is attracted to smoking does not look at that at all. He totally ignores. See, after all, is the age of 18, 16, 18 only people get glamorized, get attracted to smoking. And allowing that category to permitting them to smoke, sell the cigarette for a man of 18 years, something like that, it doesn't work out. The purpose of the act and the purpose, for what purpose we are campaigning. See, that's not the another the advertisement. You see, advertisement nowadays used in films, even foreign Western films and also in Indian films, you find the heroes, villains and all thing. A small footnote like a small thing. Health is dangerous. It is dangerous to health. What does it mean? See, the people don't take that. They look at the way they smoking. See, normally children, young adolescents, get glamorized, exercised by smoking. In fact, I was a chain smoker. From my 14th year to 34th year, I smoked. I used to smoke 5 packs a day. That means to say 15-20 minutes on cigarette. If you average, if you look at that. For the 33 years, I have given up smoking. See, in those days, what happens? These film personalities, celebrities smoking and all. You also feel something romantic about it. You get attracted. So, this first thing is, in every film, you should never show a scene where a person, anybody is smoking. That should be prohibited totally. See, that is an indirect way of advertisements. Or otherwise, Section 5 should be interpreted in such a manner that any exhibition of any character in a film or a television show, smoking amounts to an advertisement and become punishable. Because Section 5, the stringent punishment is there. Therefore, that should be done. That should be implemented. So that is one thing. And then you find that from 100 yards from school and all that, you should have signboards. I have not seen those things at all in place. That is not being implemented. So the act itself, it would work for the cross purpose.
So,
It is
okay.
working for the purpose of the object. So this is
Okay.
how I feel this act. They should see one more thing. If you want to really discourage smoking, you must make it compulsory. You must make people fear or frightened by the consequences of smoking, by clips, by film shows, and all those things should be made compulsory in all schools and colleges for younger generations. They should get frightened. The consequences, the horrible thing, the consequences of this cancer and all that, if they are depicted or shown on the screen, then that will go into the mind of the boy or a child, and they stop smoking because they become conscious of their own health. These are the stringent things they should implement. If that is done, that will discourage the smoking.
Okay.
And
Okay.
sometimes weird arguments are there. A man who doesn't smoke at all, he died of cancer. That's all stupid. There,
No,
it is
that's a
medical
very
difference. Here, you invite the disease. You are welcoming the disease by smoking. So that distinction one in mind. So I feel that
okay.
it has to go totally revamped. For discouraging the smoking, film shows have to be exhibited in every school, every college. Regularly, film shows have to be shown about the deleterious effects of the smoking, and also that any film or any Western film or Indian films, any character smoking is to be deleted. It should not be shown at
Okay.
all. Board should
Okay.
delete it. These are the stringent
So,
measures. If they do, I think it may have some effect. It's only by social
okay.
education you can discourage smoking, but not by law.
Okay. Okay. So, Sir Patil, like Justice Rao just said, that the law is about not about the stopping the smoking or the chewing tobacco. It's to regulate that. So, don't you think that there is a जिसे कहते हैं विरोधाभास है कि एक चीज कह रही है कि खत्म होना चाहिए, नुकसान होता है, और उसके अलावा दूसरी चीज कह नहीं नहीं हम इसको रेगुलेट करेंगे, इसको बंद नहीं करेंगे. Why not stop production of tobacco, all tobacco products? What do you have to say about this?
Sir, actually, we know that usually when legislators makes a law, they look into the practicalities. How many
Okay.
people are depending? What is the revenue they are taking? So all
Yes.
those things. And if everybody out of 100, if 50%, if they are smoking, if you make a law prohibit overnight, it will not be possible. So
Okay.
maybe the target total prohibition, but they starts with the particular this legislation prohibition regulating the law. Slowly
Law.
it is going towards that is the target, complete prohibition, but not
Okay.
immediately. So
Okay.
to reach that, how we can go step by step, that is the thing. The everybody is working. And sir said about the advertisement on that. Yes, what sir said is perfectly correct. On that point, also we have given suggestion. That is actually section 5 prohibits direct and indirect advertisement, promotion and sponsorship of tobacco. Even though it says, but still the people are doing that indirect advertisement. That's why we have proposed amendment to section 5. What we are saying, comprehensively ban advertisement, promotion, and sponsorship of tobacco by all persons and through all medium of communication, including mobile, internet, etc. Restrict
Okay.
or regulate visible stocking at point of sale. Restrict, regulate corporate social responsibility activities. Definition of advertisement needs to be reviewed to include new mediums. New definition of promotion, sponsorship, indirect or surrogative advertisements need to be inserted. So these are the suggestions given. And another thing, the proposed amendment, which we have mentioned, it is the comprehensive TAPS ban in conformity with the WHO FCTC. We are confirming WHO's FCTC. On that basis, these are the suggestions given. And even one of the judgment, proposed amendment is in conformity with the one of the Supreme Court judgment, Health for Millions versus Union of India. It's a 2013 judgment directing strict enforcement of TAPS provisions of CODPA to protect young generations and innocent minds. So this is the proposed amendment on this particular point, sir.
Okay, okay. Justice Rao, there's one point where we are talking about the surrogate advertisement or the depiction of diseases on cigarette packets. So there was a long dispute in Supreme Court also, where cigarette companies opposed the proposal of putting the pictures of the affected lungs and tongues and everything on both sides of the cigarette packet. But that Supreme Court itself did not approve, did not approve. And then, so do you think that it is possible for the courts also to put things in a way कि सब कुछ एकदम से रुक जाए?
Sir, as far as the judgment you mentioned, that's a regressive opinion, I feel. It's a regressive
Okay.
opinion. And another thing, putting pictures of this lung diseases or the tongue diseases or throat or whatever it is,
Yeah, what?
cancer, on the cigarette pack does not make a big difference. It is for the smoker. It is for
Okay.
the newcomer, new entrants. Threat is to be, they should be deterred by deterrence. As how the criminal law, see, you control the crime by deterrence. In a similar way,
Okay.
by deterrence, you must control this smoking by educating the children that they should not get attracted, not get romanticized or glamorized by the smoking habit. This is most important. And as Professor Patil said, it's well correct. Most of these, see, tobacco is largely grown in Andhra Pradesh and in parts of Karnataka, that too in Belgaum and those areas. Because there was earlier, there was a law. Whoever used to grow tobacco has to take permit. The central excise people used to give permit and they should grow the tobacco. Like that, some regulation was there. So there, immediately stopping may make sometimes, because tobacco may have medicinal effects also. You can't say that it's only narcotic or something like addiction and then consequences of cancer and all those things. But there may be scientifically there may be other effects also. Therefore, total prohibition is not there. Step by step, they should do that. But in the present act, what I feel, as Professor said, the Section 5 is to be so amended that any type of indirect advertisement, celebrity smoking, people see, after all, in all advertisements, you are boost. Kohli comes or this Sachin Tendulkar comes and he promotes. In a similar way, it's indirect promotion. Such things have to be. And they should also make it compulsory that in all schools and colleges, film shows have to be shown.
Okay.
Have to be shown to the children at least once a month or something like that in all schools. This film division, no, earlier when we were students, film division people used to come show these films. We bring the projector screen and all that. So such things have to be revived. And after all, you must ingrain in the minds of the children that smoking is a bad habit and a health hazard, and they should get deterred by such advertisements. That is also a provision in that.
Okay. Professor Patil, like Justice Rao just said, ki, smoking is a health hazard. Alcohol is also a health hazard. And there is again ban on alcohol advertising also. Surrogate advertising has been allowed. Allowed means they are using the surrogate way of advertising alcohol product. As you earlier said, that it is when lawmakers make law, they think about the revenue they are getting. But in terms of, if you think in terms of alcohol, some states have prohibited alcohol totally, completely. So no, like Bihar. Bihar had stopped sale of alcohol, transportation of alcohol and everything. Why can't this happen for the tobacco products like gutka and bidi and cigarette?
Sir, it will happen. Even now, there is a calculation what revenue the government is getting from tobacco is not equivalent to what government is spending on cancer patients in the government hospitals. If you see the ratio, that is more what we are spending on the patient. See, we are weakening the public who can create wealth to the nation by using these things, and long run they are suffering. Their productive output is coming down. So one of the, in all sides we are damaging. So that's why uh, even if you look into the revenue, there is a need for strong willpower.
Okay.
Strong willpower. And last 10 years also government is working with the farmers, what is the alternative crop they can grow. So they are helping, they are shifting to another crop. So that also they are
Okay.
doing. And also a lot of not only one issue, if we tackle all together, then only we can achieve, not only one side. Well, as
Okay.
Justice said, the first foremost very important aspect before us is protect our children. Protect our children. And the tobacco company's target is children, not adult. If
Okay.
you make a habit in child age below 18, they are vulnerable. If they habitual to
Yeah.
cigarette, they are customers until death.
Mhm.
Majority.
Mhm.
If they cannot change the mindset of adult because already matured, they know what is good, what is bad. So that's why in throughout the amendments we want to protect minors. Even one of the suggestion is we want to increase this minor age, especially here, 18 years to 21 years. So that
Okay.
also we have suggested in our amendment, especially section 6. The present existed provision is prohibition of sale of tobacco products to persons below age of 18 years. Now
Yes.
we have proposed minimum legal age for sale to persons below the age of 18 years may be increased to 21 years. Both sale
Okay.
to and by person below the age of 21 years may be prohibited. The
Okay.
rationale behind this one is it is established that if a person is kept away from tobacco till the age of 21 years, there is a very high probability that he will remain tobacco free for the rest of his life. And the
Okay.
Goa Prohibition Smoking and Spitting Act 1997, prohibition of sale of persons below the age of 21 years. Already Goa has passed it. They have increased
Okay.
to 21 years. So
Okay.
even it was recommended by Parliamentary Standing Committee. So because of these background, we suggested let us increase from 18 years to 21 years so that
Mhm.
we can protect the innocent people, innocent children. That is the proposal, sir.
Okay. And what are the other important suggestions you have given in your report besides these increasing the age
Yeah,
of minimum? Yeah.
sir.
If you could
Another,
just, yeah.
yeah, another one now the existing provisions, especially in section 4, no person shall smoke in any public places. Smoking permitted in designated areas of restaurants, hotels, airports, where more than 30, especially hotels and restaurants, where more than 30 rooms or 30 sitting places are there, they may provide a smoking room. And even
Okay.
in airport. And they have clearly mentioned specification, what type of these smoking rooms. And what we observed, nobody is fulfilling that specification. And under the act, they have clearly mentioned what are those specifications. And rationally behind this one, we want to delete this designated smoking area, that particular clause, by giving these reasons. It
Hmm.
is established uh, no amount of technical specification can prevent a non-smoker from being exposed to passive smoke from designated smoking area. The said exemption is contrary to the Honorable Supreme Court judgment Murali Diora versus Union of India 2001 judgment, Supreme Court judgment, subjecting a non-smoker to tobacco smoke is a violation of his fundamental right guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India, that none shall be deprived of his life without due process of law. And another, the said exemption is contrary to the WHO FCTC guidelines and the global best practices and the objective of CODPA 2003 also. Ensure that effective protection is provided to non-smokers from involuntary exposure to tobacco smoke. Last one, the said exemption has led to mushrooming of hookah bars pan India. State governments of Gujarat, Punjab, Maharashtra, Rajasthan have amended Section 4 by adding a provision ban hookah bars. So it was banned in hookah. I mean, hookah bar is banned, especially where these other food products and other things are provided. So because of these reasons, we have suggested delete proviso of allowing designated smoking area. So that is section 4. And also we suggested recommended section 7, that is the mandatory display on nicotine and tar thing, because the available medical evidence suggests that there is no safe level of for nicotine and the tar contents. And even gas too, 68% of cigarette smokers, 17% for BD smokers, and 50% of smokeless tobacco purchased tobacco products, especially loose. And state government's notifications banning sale of loose cigarettes under Section 7 on the State Act. Pack warning is made ineffective by sale of tobacco products, loose or small products. Actually, it is mentioned you have to sell in a packet, not in single stick.
Yes.
If packet contains all that display, and every kid or every minor or everybody takes single stick, he cannot see that pack the display. So that's
Yes.
why there should be a more restriction on even we are working, there should be a license to sell these cigarettes, and the condition should be there. If they want to sell, it should be in packet. Another condition, another object behind it is children, minors are having pocket money. That pocket money may not suffice to purchase a packet. They can
Yes.
purchase one, not as a packet, and even one day they may not smoke. They cannot take that packet to home because of the parents' fear. So that's why,
Yes.
looking into all those angles, we said the display and the other aspects, pack selling, all those things should be made mandatory.
Okay.
And also one another suggestion we are given that penalty should be more. Now nobody
Yes.
fears. Literally, in one of the enforcing training program, I personally went to Jainagar with BBMP health inspectors and Jainagar police officers, and they are smoking in public place. We said you cannot smoke. Then happily they are giving 200 rupees. Take it,
Okay.
take it. So it is affordable way of penalty. If you
Yeah.
keep it higher, then there will be a deterrent on them also. So that's
Okay.
why section 20, 21, 22, and 24, the penalty should be increased, so that
Okay.
there will be a deterrence on these people. And this is also rationally behind this is to ensure deterrence against violation of the law, to ensure compatibility with the other laws of central and state government for same offences. Recommendations in parliamentary committee reports for substantially increasing fine amounts. So because of these reasons, so we recommended there should be an increase in penalty. So these are
Okay.
the main important suggestions we have given, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just so as Professor Patil just mentioned the different provisions in the law, what I gather is that there is a law is sufficient in itself. Okay, there may be matlab, we need some more stringent provisions, extra provisions, but the law itself is sufficient. The only problem, like earlier I asked you, is the implementation. Like there is a prohibition, or there is a no question of क्या कहते हैं, selling the product, tobacco product to person less than age of 18. But who will check that, and how it will be checked? It is not possible for police to check everything, every pawn shop, बीड़ी shop, कि किसको बेच रहा है, किसको नहीं बेच रहा. So the basic problem is the implementation. So like I earlier asked you कि इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की जिम्मेदारी गवर्नमेंट की है, बट उस गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी के पास क्या इतनी सुविधाएं हैं कि वो इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कर सके, या ऐसे इस छोटे लेवल पे बिल्कुल जिसे कहते हैं ग्राउंड लेवल पे जाके इसको इम्प्लीमेंट कराया जा सके? इज इट पॉसिबल?
Sir,
जस्टिस राव.
see, as Professor Patil said, it is true. And as you also noticed, these petty shops, they sell cigarettes.
Yes.
Licensing, the giving license and all becomes totally impractical. It's
Yes.
almost everybody under the sky can sell the cigarette nowadays.
Yes,
In fact,
that's true.
everybody can sell the cigarette. So
That's
to
true.
regulate the sale, some more stringent provisions have to be brought in, and only selected places have to be mentioned, and they should be given license, like your medical shops.
Okay.
That is to be that provision is to be made. Everybody cannot sell the cigarette. Then the counter question is the livelihood of a man who is running a petty shop. That
Yes.
question also. The another thing is, sir, cigarettes have become less harmful when compared to other things. As you said, the drugs. People are attracted.
Yes.
Youngsters are attracted to drugs. You look at this scenario in Bombay. What happens?
Hmm.
The people are condemning the NDPS Act itself. They say that it robs our personal liberties, personal lifestyles. To that extent, the perverse arguments have been built up.
Okay.
So that does not mean that drugs are greater danger than the cigarette. It does not mean that you should find solution for the cigarette also.
Okay.
You have to regulate and then prohibit cigarette smoking. But at the same time, the children are getting, see, after all in schools, the hi-fi schools and all that, the 8th grade, 9th grade students are also getting attracted to that. And we hear that in the ice cream shops and all that nearby, they mix these drugs and they sell them. This is the scenario now, what is going on. It's very dangerous. But as far as cigarettes are concerned, the people should be awareness. People should get deterrence. They should feel, yes, if I smoke after 10 years, something like that, in the mid of my life, I may get this disease. I may get this tongue sores and other things.
Cancer, whatever disease. Yeah, that's true.
That is most important. That is most important. Of course, the alcohol creates your the liver diseases. Alcohol creates liver. As you said, government will become sick if alcohol is banned. Government will become sick. The major revenue is only liquor. See, during, I was surprised to find in Bangalore and other cities, people were standing in queues, sir, for a mile, 1 mile, 2 miles for purchasing liquors.
That's true.
No gender discrimination. You find
the whole India, the scenario for buying of alcohol was almost same in all over India after the COVID, when the COVID relaxation was imposed.
That was being shown. That was being shown. And they are defending their habit of alcohol consumption. So this public opinion is so built up. They are in favor of these dangerous things. Alcohol, drugs, and cigarettes. You must first create a public opinion that public should feel that it is bad.
Okay. That's true.
Law is there. IPC is there since 250 years. Murder is you have checked. Still murders are happening.
Yes, that's true. That's true.
It does not deter a man.
Professor Patil, do you agree with Justice Rao that it is more of an awareness among people that they should not smoke, they should not use tobacco, raw tobacco, or in form of gutka and bidi and all these things? Or the basic, as far as the implementation of law, like I asked Justice Rao also, the implementation part, somewhere the government is lax or the agencies are lax in implementing the law. So should they be more responsible also?
Yes, sir. I agree with Justice. Especially awareness is the best way.
Yes.
And here, what I observed while doing this research, yes, attitude of the person has to be changed. Public has to be changed. Attitude of the public. That will not happen overnight. That's why now
Okay.
we are concentrating on present children. If they become
Okay.
adult, then attitude will change.
Okay. Yeah.
So that is the idea behind it. Now that's why our all suggestions, everything concentrating on children, not on adult. Adult, they are
Okay.
matured. Let them decide what is good, bad. If they want to die, die. But at least children who are innocent, involuntarily they are habitual. As Justice said, film industry attracting, the hero is smoking and heroines, 2 3 heroines are attracted. So the children thinks that if I smoke, that thing will happen. So these types of things.
Okay.
Even state government and central government, especially health ministry, they are working hard. Literally, I'm observing, literally, especially Karnataka state health ministry, they are working hard. And I have attended 2 3 meetings even with the film industry producers. I also attended. And even cable television act is there, many other legislations are there. Especially now what we suggested on that day, in front of the movie theater there will be a display of the actor or actress. That actor is standing with a cigarette. We said you should not do that. And film producers say that that is not under our control. We permit actually for film industry, they have to approve the banners or posters.
Hmm.
So they approve one thing, they display another thing. We don't have a control, they say. So these
Okay.
types of things, they know each other, what is happening everywhere. Wherever lacuna, I mean, implementation is not happening, every person knows that it is happening. But that willpower to stop it, because under the Kotpa Act, enforcement authorities list is given. In government offices, who are the enforcement authority? In public places,
Hmm.
who are the enforcement authorities? If those people are more effective, then that is possible. Another thing, in this particular, even we visited each shop, tea shop or a BD shop, where we said this is the law, you display that, don't sell to the minors, smoking is injurious to health. They have not displayed, they kept in inside the shop, but they have not displayed. Even though they displayed as if it is a one board, no meaning on board, in front of that only people are smoking, that shop owner also not bothered.
Yeah.
And
True.
we see. And the officers, enforcing officers of BBMP or anybody you take, they are very less in number. Everywhere they cannot go and do that. Some extent they can do some that's why it is distributed. For example, schedule 3 under rule 5, they have a given person authorized to take action if they are smoking.
Hmm.
So inspectors of central excise, income tax and customs, sales tax, health, transport, and above, all public places within their jurisdiction. Within their jurisdiction, they are the enforcing authorities.
Hmm.
Station master, assistant station master, station head, station in charge, railway and all its premises. All gazetted officers of state, central government, or equivalent rank, they are of the government office of which they are heading. Director, medical superintendent, hospital administrator, the government and private hospitals, they are heading. Postmaster and above, respective post office in their jurisdiction. Head of the institution, HR manager, head of the administration, private offices and workplaces. College, schools, headmaster, principal, teacher, respective educational institutions, librarian, assistant librarian, the concerned library, airport manager, officers of Airport Authority of India, that's the airport, then director of public health, director of health services, all public places. They have given full power to all places. In charge of administration in central or state government, full powers. Nodal officers, focal point, anti-tobacco cell, they have a full powers. So around 12 lists are there. If all these people are they exercise power or whatever right is given to them, yes, slowly we can reduce. Overnight again, it will not change, but someday it will change. In developed country, things will change quickly. But we have a big territory, different type of people, culture. changing or implementing law in India, it's a little bit difficult, but not impossible.
Okay, okay, okay. Justice Rao, one last question. Do you think if we implement all these suggestions strictly, or if governments are ready to implement these suggestions or these laws strictly, will you think this problem will be curtailed, or there will be a, like whenever there is a imposition is anything is imposed, any ban is imposed, there is a, जैसे कहते हैं तस्करी होने लगती, कालाबाजारी हो जाती है उसकी, like wherever there is a prohibition like in alcohol, you get everything in Gujarat, you get everything in Bihar, so that will happen. So what is your opinion about that?
As Professor Patil said, it is true. If you read Section 5, of course, they have also given a suggestion to amend Section 5. It is only read that no person engaged in or purported to be engaged in production, supply, distribution, cigarette. See, these are all the distribution, those people. The celebrities are the filmmaker, film producer, are making a celebrity smoking. It does not come within the mischief of Section 5.
Okay. Okay. So that's a good point. That's a good point.
Of course, there could be a possibility of elasticity is there. You can stretch it, and the courts have to interpret. Otherwise, you can amend the text itself. It becomes easy. Why do you depend on the court? Parliament itself, as Professor Patil has suggested, I think Parliament should take note of, and immediately they should amend these things. And again, I reiterate, you must create a scare. You must scare the children by publicity, advertisement, film shows. You must scare them. That is the best way. Social education, that's the best way. And besides that, this is a teeth, legal teeth to bite, to violate. Despite such education, so people tend to get attracted to tobacco and tobacco products or any other things. You have an NDPS Act with all stringent restrictions, but still your drug market is very powerful. It is flourishing and powerful. Therefore, it does not mean that you should not have a law. As Patil said, law is necessary, but at the same time, social awareness and scare should be created in the minds of the younger children about the deleterious effects of smoking and all that. And I think it's a discussion what you have initiated, Mr. Neeraj Kumar, today. And I think the suggestions offered by Mr. Professor Patil will be taken note of in a positive sense by the government and think about these amendments. If not the central government, at least state government can also make amendments to that, because it may be in the concurrent. They can bring about these amendments and see that to great extent the evil of smoking is mitigated. Elimination is impossible. Any bad habit, elimination is impossible. Mitigation is the only object of law always.
Okay. जस्टिस राव और जस्टिस प्रोफेसर पाटिल, आप दोनों लोगों का हमारे शो में शामिल होने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। तो ये थे जस्टिस के श्रीधर राव और जस्टिस प्रोफेसर अशोक पाटिल, जिनका ये मानना है कि जो टोबैको से नुकसान हो रहा है, तंबाकू या सिगरेट पीने से, उसको रोका जाना चाहिए। उसके लिए सबसे जरूरी जो है वो ये है कि लोगों को अवेयर किया जाए, जागरूक किया जाए, और खासकर बच्चों को, जो 10, 12, 15, 16 साल के बच्चे हैं, जो अभी माइनर है, जो अट्रैक्ट होते हैं सिगरेट की तरफ या पान मसाला या गुटखा जो होता है उसकी तरफ जो अट्रैक्ट, उनको अफेक्ट डालना चाहिए, क्योंकि जो एडल्ट हो चुके हैं उनके पास इतनी समझ है कि क्या अच्छा है क्या बुरा है वो समझ सकते हैं, उनके पास इतनी विल पावर भी होती है शायद कि वो लोग अपने को, अगर कोई एडिक्ट है इसका, तो उसको छोड़ भी सकता है कि हाँ ठीक है मुझे नहीं करना है आगे। लेकिन बच्चों को सबसे पहले इस पे जोर दिया जाना चाहिए और तभी ये समस्या जो है वो खत्म होगी। आप दोनों लोगों का हमारे शो में शामिल होने के लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। हम जल्दी ही एक नए मुद्दे पे, एक नई स्ट्रक्चर के साथ आपके सामने फिर हाजिर होंगे। तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। थैंक यू सर।